That's so new to Coinbase where the data is coming in. So let's switch over to the daily time frame and see what that's showing us. Here, adjust the charts. So again, we're wicking through those weekly time frames. We could tighten these up, but then that's going to mess it up on our weekly time frame. So you could see here, we're more than likely going to come back down to the 0.9377 level, possibly wick below that, but hopefully hold above it, right? Targets here to stay above to create a higher low right here. Let me lock it. I'm looking at these two candle bodies to the downside, December 10th and December 11th, the downside candle bodies. You could see here we have another candle body sitting on it. We have some wicks above it or some resistance before we broke above it and made that move to the, excuse me, here comes that garlic butter and steak again. Before we made a movement to our upside to create a second touch point of the trend line overhead. So we're more than likely going to bounce around within this range for quite some time, unless volume comes into the upside or to the downside via buyers or sellers. So more than likely we're going to come back down to the $1.14, $1.13, but more than likely we're going to come back down to 0.93. Hopefully hold above that. Hopefully it's just a wick to the downside before coming back up. And if we were to do that tomorrow, to the upside would be $1.40. So a little bit of upside, more downside, so a higher risk than reward. But once we break above this trend line, retest it, I mean, sky's the limit.